Moment where one's life is changed forever, one's destiny is changed forever. And that moment, I would like to share it with my co-host Albina Riame.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the wait is over. The lights shine brighter and the hearts beat faster. It is time to announce the Orange Queen 2025, ladies and gentlemen. Are you guys ready? All right. The winner of the Orange Queen Contest 2025 is contestant number
14, Laikhuram, Zeneva. Incredibly magical moment for one's life. Congratulations, contestant number 14, Laikhuram Zeneva, for being the winner of the Orange Queen Contest 2025. May I now invite Miss Strela Luang, Femina Miss India 2023, to crown the new queen of the Orange Queen Contest 2025 of the 18th edition of the state level Orange Festival Tamenglong 2025.